Alrighty. Um, Today, also another interesting day. Huge moves in SMR and Oklo. SMR, I had a small size, 150 shares only, but I sold some actually into 17, right around here. Nope, actually higher. Around this push. No, this is Oklo. Sorry, SMR. Um, into SMR because my position. I sold some into here at 1750s, and I kept the third in my position. So I'm still in this one, although my average was a 1234, right around here. Mm, could have sized up, should have sized up this morning, but I really wasn't expecting this move. I don't know if anybody was, but this is SMR was a great setup here. The day I bought it, um, above average volume, just slightly, but you know, just great buying. Stock performing well, and then DJT sold some yesterday right here at 32s. Bought some today at around 28. 28. This area here. I bought some more. I think it tripled my size that I had left over. I really like the way it bounced off the red to green in the yeah near this area, and then it went over VWAP, and I was like, you know what? I think I need to maximize my opportunity here and get in on this thing, get some more. I feel like I've been I bought it. Let me see. I bought it at 28.65. 28.65, so right around here. This candle here. I feel like haven't been maximizing these opportunities to be honest with you. I mean, not even in the slightest, not at all. But I bought it originally down here like 18. Bought some more at 26. Sold majority of it here up in 32s. When today it gapped up and failed, and then kind of bounced off this moving averages and held the red to green. So it's kind of like a double whammy. And I just started buying it. Now I should have bought more. I've just been scared. Been trading scared since I went under PDT. I lost all my gains, and now I'm down more. I just been trading really scared, and it's cost me a lot of opportunities, just like SMR. Um, yeah, I mean, costing me a lot. ISTS. I feel like the space stocks are back. I mean, USC. I missed USC the other day. Missed VST off the bounce. Today was a very, very good day overall for breakout stocks, like massive, massive. LAU missed this one too. I mean, just swinging and missing UPST. UNFI. I don't really. This one I tried yesterday. I don't know if this is actually at 21. It actually is. Yeah, I get some prints there. But yeah, it's just and there's so much opportunity right now. This just, I mean, like I had this one at 5:30. I mean, I got stopped out the same day, didn't rebuy it. I've just been missing out so many opportunities. There's so much to buy. Just been missing out on everything. VST, CP, CRDO, Clove. Clove, I guess I missed this one too. This is an after hours. So, let's see. Yeah, I went up after hours, late after hours. So, gap up tomorrow. Hopefully can proceed. How's drug doing? Nothing. But yeah, I mean, just opportunities everywhere, left and right. I mean, just absolutely insane. And then CORZ added to CORZ. Oops. I really thought with this momentum, it was going to be able to break out from here. Um, we'll see about this one. See if it gets continuation tomorrow. But yeah, I doubled my size on this one today at around 1330-ish. So we'll see how this one goes. But yeah, I mean, I've been missing out so many opportunities. So many. It's not even funny. But yeah, if you look into my account, I think I'm only invested in, like, percentage wise, maybe not 10%, maybe a little more than 10%. I'd have to do the math for you. I'd have to do the math to see how much I am invested. But it's not more than 50% of my account. I mean, it's just tiny amount. Let's see. Whatever. It's yeah. Anyways, just missing out on all these opportunities. It's just not fun. MPM is MP today. Uh, WVE. I was in this freaking thing. And I got scared on this pullback. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, honestly, I thought I bought it too high, in my opinion. I bought it when it was up like over 10%, and I was like, well, what am I doing? This is way too much. And then it goes up another 13, 14% after I buy it, or actually after I bought it and then sold it. Just rookie mistakes, just mistakes all over. VS. I also had VS in the morning. Oops. Let me see. Checking my fills. No, I'm lying. I didn't have VS. I never pulled the trigger. I never pulled the trigger in the morning. I was gonna buy it. If I look at the 5-minute, yeah, there's a 5-minute. I was buying on this candle here, around 460, as I was breaking out. Didn't buy it. Would have doubled, but anyways, because I think a lot of the things right now are trying to copy this drug trade. You can see a lot of these biotechs in the morning. So ATNF, gapped up over 1,000% overnight. Yeah, gapped up over 1,000%. A lot of these stocks trying to mimic drug. PR, this one here up 100%, 95%, 93%. You can see they're all biotechs. That's why I was wary about this one. But this one did have news. But that's why I was really, really wary about this one. But it had a great setup. I mean, perfect. Everything was perfect. It's just I was really afraid of because the drug trade happened yesterday. I never really thought this was just gonna be like I don't even know what I was thinking. But yeah, that's what I get for not pulling the trigger. But see, I was pushing size and pushing risk a couple weeks ago, not anticipating, but I was pushing it at the wrong time, I think. I just gotta get my timing down. It's kind of rough, but yeah, I mean, there's just so much opportunity all over. UNFI. So I didn't buy it as it was breaking out intraday. I don't think it was it. Yeah, so it was breaking out later intraday, but the volume on this thing is just below average. So I didn't really trust it. EXK. This one as well. I think I traded some in the morning. Yes, I did. I bought some at 458. So you can watch right around 458 here. And then I just sold it. Actually, this one was like just like I was not really bored, but it was just like it was a dumb trade. It's stupid. I shouldn't even touch this. I could tell by the volume in the morning it wasn't going to go out, or it wasn't going to trade well. Because at this time, I think it only had less than 10% volume when it was breaking out. Let's see, in the first 15 minutes, it traded 383,000, which is, less than 10%. So it was kind of like oh, well, it's kind of cheap, it's gapped up, breaking out. I'm gonna buy it, and then tight risk. But that's what I've been noticing. I've been getting screwed over a lot on. It's just these dumb trades that I've been doing, just like almost out of boredom. It's exactly what it is, and I've been trying to limit those. But yeah, let's see. There's 70 stocks on the watch list for the 1 month gainer. That's massive. Start from the bottom. This one is what's it called? A runner with drug. They ran this yesterday, and both kind of. Oh, this one failed. So, what's it called? Sympathy. There's drug. TVGN. Caper. This one completely failed. It's kind of crazy. Boom. Hams. Kind of missed hams. This day here. Oh, sorry. This day here. This one looks like it's setting up. A couple more days. Actually, I'm just gonna put it on my watch list. The way this market's going, it could break out tomorrow. The market's crazy. MSTR, maybe a day or two more, and should give us a nice setup. So I can break out. LVPH, this is a buyout, I think, or something similar. Sezzle. Missed UPST a couple days ago. Seeker. These Chinese ones are starting to fail. GCT kind of bouncing off very well off the 20-day, but not really a good trader, and there's a lot of supply above it. A lot of supply. UNFI. Yeah, I'm probably gonna look at that one tomorrow. It seems like these. Yeah, I said this earlier, but these space stocks got their bids. I know the banks are booming too. Banks are on a run. VST, I was hoping this thing would tighten up another day, but I guess it decided to break out today as well. I was debating about buying a bounce here. UWTX missed this one too. Clove. Don't really consider this one a breakout because this was an after hours, so don't really trust that one. CMP. CMP. Missed this one here. I think I got it this day. And then I missed out this bounce. But it wasn't really a good setup, so I'm not worried. CRVS. Don't think I traded this one. Or touched it at all. I think crypto's starting to move. Yeah, it is. Bitcoin looks like it's starting to break out of this range here, but CORZ doing well. Wolf. Yeah. Yep. So MSTR looks like it moved before Bitcoin. Now it's pulling back. Hopefully Bitcoin can continue and just buy this. Buy the hell out of it. Anyways, let's go back to... I don't know what these guys do. Look at this run. Anyways. Oh yeah, I was way up here. Well, BTBT, right? Look at all these stocks. I mean, they're just moving, just straight up. It's kind of marvelous to see. This one still pisses me off. Not that big of a move, but still. This one really infuriates me. A lot of these miners, and I think uranium has been moving. All these miners, industrials have been absolutely on fire. This one might be crypto. Kind of a very nice breakout there. Rocket Lab just continues to keep going. Missed it here. And here. Those 2 days. Phenomenal. Phenomenal move. This seems like the leader of the space stocks. It went up, what? No, just a little under 2% after hours. But yeah, that's Wolf. I mean, this one pissed me off too. I mean, I had this one yesterday in the morning here. Oh, here, this day. At around 1540-ish, and then just bounced back all the way today. I didn't know that this was gonna happen, but I had a feeling, and I was like, well, I mean, because semiconductors had a bad day yesterday, so it dragged everything down, and I was like, well, tomorrow's it's gonna bounce right back up. So, and I just completely forgot about it, just ignored it, and then, that happened. Missed out on 15% plus trade today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See if it continues. Yeah, see what I'm saying? These industrial miners and uranium energy stocks have been absolutely moving. This one. I was looking at this one this morning too. Missed it. Wow. This one as well. Missed it this morning. I saw the bounce that I had this morning, and I was like, wow, this is pretty strong. Didn't even touch it. Just didn't even look into it. I was like, wow, looks very strong. I think I really like the price action here. And should have bought it like I did DWAC, or where when it went over VWAP, started buying at around 3. And, you know, nothing really happened. So, didn't pull the trigger. But, all right. I mean, it just had a great setup. You can kind of see this range here, uptrending, tight volume, and just breaks out on volume, fails, bounces out the 10-day moving average, and just crushes. NNE, this one, I had this one down here, I think, around 13, 14, but I would have been stopped at yesterday. And then it broke out today. But this one's pretty choppy. This one might just keep bouncing around like it was doing these previous weeks before. SMR didn't size up, but doing great. Akko missed this one yesterday and probably the day before. Couldn't tell you when a good entry was, honestly. Yeah. Yesterday seemed good, but I just didn't really trust it yesterday. Dual Givo, I had no idea what this is, but it looks phenomenal. WV, I mean, look at all these moves. I mean, there's massive opportunity everywhere, and I'm only in 2 stocks with less than half of my account invested. Man, well, it is what it is. But yep, that's it for me today. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's, well, I don't know if tomorrow can be any better than today. I mean, today was phenomenal, like an insane day. Insane. Maybe might go short tomorrow. We'll see what the opportunity presents us, but see you guys tomorrow.